guys, how are you doing? It's Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another quick daily update. So we're just going to quickly look at the total market cap of crypto. We're still above that $1 trillion mark. To be honest, not too much has really changed. I want to get into a few things. As I said, every morning we're going to do a quick roundup of things that I think are quite important in the market. So we just, not too much has happened. As I said, we've got everything's kind of fluctuating, waiting for this ETH merge. This is one thing I really want you guys to pay attention to. I'm going to show you some charts now. They actually look quite appealing. However, all my leverage positions are off the table because anything could happen when it comes to these mergers. Everyone's expecting that we have like a buy the rumor, sell the news type event, and I can understand why, but we wrote about this in the newsletter. We gave you some key price targets in there, so if you want to go and check that out, links in my bio. We give you literally targets that we're looking at if we do have some sort of retracement or correction from the merge. But I personally think it could go either way. I think there's an argument for both, and I can get into that more deeply on another video. In fact, I might do that. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But yeah, as I said, not too much is happening. Bitcoin's up 12% on the 7-day, pretty cool to see. XRP is at 5% on the 7-day. All my positions are closed. Just have a look at Ethereum on the daily time frame. It actually looks quite bullish right about now. I know that my time zone is very different to you guys. I'm in Bali, Indonesia at the minute. We do need to retake this level here, but we have pierced the actual resistance level. So we've broken through the resistance level. We've come back in to test this 50-day moving average, and I would be looking to take another leg up here. It's not screaming a buy, but it's not against it. And on the hourly time frame, I think it looks pretty bullish too. If we just have a look at this. Look, we've come back down, we're consolidating on top of the old range here, and the RSI looks like it's coiling up ready for a breakout. However, as I've said, I'm not taking any trades. Anything could happen with the merge. It could get delayed, something could go wrong, it could go really well, but you're literally gambling at this point. We also have CPI today, which is extremely important. That's Consumer Price Index in America, basically the inflation rates. There's not been any warning from the Fed, so I presume it will be lower than expected, which would be great for markets. But again, it's gambling at this point, guys. We only take trades when we've got a good opportunity. If you'd like to have a look at some of our trade ideas, again, they're in my newsletter above. Everything's kind of just flirting with moving averages, and we're waiting for a big event to either break up or break down, in my opinion. The volume's looking pretty good on the daily for Bitcoin. As you can see, the green volume is engulfing the red. That suggests to me that we could be looking for a move up, but we're waiting for a catalyst before we confirm any sort of trade. So that's it for price action today. Let's have a look at XRP quickly. Yeah, again, it's in the same range as everything else. Volume is pretty low on XRP. We're going to get into something with XRP just at the end of this video, so let me just go on to the next thread. So if you don't already follow me on Twitter, guys, here is my Twitter. I wrote a tweet yesterday about why I think India's pending CBDC will be built on the XRP ledger, and it absolutely popped off, and I just spat a little bit, sorry about that. And I'm buzzing about that because I spent 7 hours on this thread, and I did make a YouTube video about it yesterday, so again, go and check that out at Crypto Insight UK on Twitter. If you enjoy it, please let me know because, as I said, it's took me all day, and I'm so happy that everyone enjoyed the tweet as well because that's why I do it. I don't get paid from Twitter or anything like that. The only thing that I do make a little bit of money from is YouTube, but I make £100 a month or something like that from YouTube. I do this, the content side of things, because it keeps me sane and I really enjoy sharing my knowledge with you guys. So that's why when I say, if you could share, subscribe, it really does help because I am trying to build that into something that I can create a salary from. Because I'm living in Bali now, supporting myself, and my bank account's going down, down, down. It's not a woe is me. I love my job. I love what I do. I've got good investments. I'm just trying to create some cash flow. So YouTube, it would really help if you can share that. And Twitter, if you can get on there, have a look at my newsletter if you want to support the channel. Finally, this is the thing that I wanted to talk about. The XLS-20 that creates native NFTs on the XRP ledger has been delayed. So that's important to understand, guys, if you are in the XRP community. And I just want to, before I get into what's actually happening, you know what, we'll get into it first. It says, this guy is a dev on the XRP ledger, director of engineering at Ripple. He said, a cornerstone case for the XLS-20 specification was discovered by a third party literally hours before the amendment was due to activate. This is unfortunate, but it happened. More on that later. So what now? A fix will be needed to necessitate an amendment. My team will propose a single line fix that will disable the NFT flag that's at the core of the issue and then propose 1.9.4 release. Hopefully this will be the last issue with the XLS-20. Despite testing, we missed this. We're thankful for all those who did their own due diligence and helped identify, verify, and respond to this. Several validators are now vetoing the XLS-20 amendment, pending a fix. Ripple's validators will as well. I know this feels like 2 steps back, we're 1 step away from the proverbial finish line. I don't see it that way. I'm heartened by the diverse group of participants taking action on prioritising security in the XRP ledger. Onwards. I completely agree. I put this tweet out. Honestly, I understand the frustration from the community. However, if there is an issue, this needs to be brought. This needs addressing. Thank you to @Tokenize and B Douglas. He's the wrong person that I've tagged in there. For finding and fixing the problem. Efficiency and reliability is the cornerstone of the XRP ledger. Let's not compromise. I would much rather we took a step back and fix the issue rather than trying to go ahead and having some sort of bug in there that could harm the ledger or give malicious access to malicious people. I've also got a little NFT video I might make, guys, about 3 NFT creators that I quite like at the minute. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments. I don't know if it's something you guys would be interested in or not, so that's why I haven't gone ahead with that video yet. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Try and keep it short and sweet. Let me know in the comments and give me a follow over on Twitter and have a look at my newsletter if you want to. All that. Peace up, A-Town down, as I should say.